Assalamualaikum Jazib. Today we are going to do a doc on removal of corneal foreign body. As you know, this is now a new part for the CPSP residency program, and you're a second year resident with us in ophthalmology.
Yes.
Today we'll do the DOPS. You can go ahead with the different steps. As you know, the steps we've
Yes.
got the 11 steps of DOPS. You've already seen those steps, so please go step by step, and we'll evaluate you, and then we can have a discussion together on the process how you went through.
Indications of foreign body removal, because in patient there is foreign body. If foreign body exists there, it will lead to infection and continuous irritation and itching and inflammation in the patient.
So what type of foreign body do you think he has? You've already taken
patient,
the history.
yes, patient have given history. He was on bike, and there is some mosquito part. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर जहांजेब है। आपकी आँख के अंदर जो गया हुआ है ये फॉरेन बॉडी जो ज़र्रा है, तो इसको मैं जो है वो रिमूव करूँगा। तो इस दौरान आपको पहले हम कतरे डालेंगे सुन्न करने वाले, उससे आपकी आँख जो है वो सुन्न हो जाएगी। तो आपको फिर आपकी यहाँ पे आपने सर थोड़ी रखनी है, और इस दौरान आपको किसी किस्म की तकलीफ नहीं होगी। तो आपने अपना सर नहीं हिलाना, और आँख को जो है वो उसको भी नहीं हिलाना, क्योंकि अगर आप दौरान प्रोसीजर सर हिलाएंगे और जो है वो आँख को हिलाएंगे, तो आँख को जो है वो डैमेज होने का खतरा हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो ये सब सही हो गया। दूसरी आँख में लगाएं, ऊपर देखें, ऊपर देखें।
तो शायद ये पूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि ग्लव्स आपके वो नहीं है, तो यू आर टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस.
So next, in observance of sepsis, we are taking precautionary measure. So we have used gloves for that. स्टार्टिंग नीचे देखें, पाँव की तरफ, नीचे पाँव की तरफ देखें।
लाइट पड़ नहीं रही जो तुम्हें आनी चाहिए, इसको मुहिम करें हमने.
Wing of mosquito is now removed, and then रिमूव करके आपको है वो आपको इसलिए आपने जो है वो इस्तेमाल करें, और थोड़ी देर बाद जो सुन करने वाला कचरा आपके यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और
स्टेशन लीव, वैसे लीव नहीं, छुट्टी नहीं ली, खाली स्टेशन लीव है. तो वैसे भी तो है ना लीव. Jazeb, you successfully were able to remove the foreign body, and the very good point was the patient never complained of any pain during the whole of the procedure, and he was able to understand all the steps you told him. And I think you should have, I think the very little points you could have missed in that sense, because it's a pretty routine and simple procedure. Looks like you've done the procedure many times, but whenever you're doing the procedure, you need to be, what minor improvement you can make is you can be more confident with the patient when you're dealing with them, and you can tell them each and every detail. And one thing you can always tell them that if there's any pain, if there's any problem, let us know. This is our contact number to do the thing. But you're able to identify the foreign body and remove the foreign body and you also had a person standing behind the patient to check that he doesn't move, because that is the most important step in which you can actually damage the cornea of the patient. You can actually get a perforation as well. So, what do you think? What were your strengths and your weaknesses?
I think strength was the big practice that we do, but weaknesses was in patient positioning and proper aseptic measures. Sometimes we miss doing.
Right. So I'll open up your e-logbook and sign off your DOPS procedure, and also give you a written my assessment of your DOPS, the steps which you did and which you think you might improve, but you overall you did pretty well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.